feeling brave. Open the app, big mistake. Portfolio looks like a crime scene. Leverage got me on my knees, oh no. I should probably just log off, but my finger won't let me. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. Everything's bleeding and I can't let go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. I'm never selling, what the fuck is wrong with me? 3 a.m. pizza box graveyard, refreshing like it's my full-time job. Mommy would be so proud of me, bag loading in my dressing gown. Oh no, I should probably just log off, but the red candles look like they're calling me. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. Everything's rugged and I can't let go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. I'm properly down bad, send help immediately. I told the group chat this one's different. Now they're all laughing at my screenshot. I said diamond hands like a proper mug. Now I'm crying in the dark with a warm lager. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Everything's red and I'm never letting go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm addicted and it's terminal, baby. Oh no, oh no. I'm never selling. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. I'm never selling. I finally made it, isn't that funny? Penthouse flat, but I still sleep on the sofa. Mom keeps saying I should be happy now, but I haven't had a proper conversation in 4 years. Too late now. I was looking at the wrong thing every single night and day. Too late now, too late now. Got the bag, but I lost the plot somehow. Too late now, too late now. All my friends are gone and I don't know how. Too late now. I've got unread messages from girls I used to shag. They say, babe, you look amazing, where you at? I reply with a rocket emoji and a light while I'm eating cold takeaway in the dark again. Too late now. I was looking at the wrong thing every single fucking night. Too late now, too late now. Got the bag, but I lost the plot somehow. Too late now, too late now. My therapist blocked me. What the fuck do I do now? I used to have dreams that didn't involve charts. I used to touch grass, I used to touch us. Now I own a Lambo in my head and a wardrobe full of clothes I'll never wear. Funny that. Too late now, too late now. Made my money but I'm properly finished somehow. Too late now, too late now. Guess I'll just keep holding till the lights go out. Too late now. Too late now. Too late now. yourself when the chart dies. You should be careful, do you catch my drift? Cause what I really wanna know is, can you catch these knives? Bags heavy, yeah, 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 rug ready. I know exactly what your friends are like. I don't want your alpha, I just wanna fight. We're on our way to the telegram. Stupid is as stupid does. Shilling pre-sales racking up. Leverage calls giddy up. Yeah, yeah, bags heavy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, rug ready. I know exactly what your friends are like. I don't want your alpha, I just wanna fight. He don't make gains, he makes excuses. Saw him dumping while we were sleeping. This always happens at 3 a.m. Some guy slides in with this one's the one I just threw up in my mouth.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, frogs and squirrels, welcome to the late night version of Late Night Crypto with Road Dog. Running a little bit late tonight. My apologies for that. Some of us kind of fell asleep. What's going on behind? Sean left all the damn lights on in the building last night. Didn't cut the lights on. No wonder our electricity bill is so high, Sean. You keep saying inflation, but I think it's you. Hey, everybody, how we doing tonight? Good to see you. Let's go ahead and get what needs to be gotten done out of the way here. Our sponsors tonight, of course, Milky Cereal.
Part of a well-balanced diet. Every morning, yeah, you know I gotta try it. Yeah.
Have you had a milk today?
Milky cereal in my bowl. My bowl. Mom's in life forever, that's good for my soul. For real. Yeah. Yoga pants, coffee mug, hair in a bun, dropping.
Drop 111 if you've ate a MILF out. If you've ate a MILF today, let's know. Are you getting enough MILF in your life right now? And if not, you may need some good ass coffee to keep up with the Milky cereal.
The morning's gray, the clocks are full. The world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark, a golden glow. Good ass coffee's here, you know. Oh, the best part of waking up is good ass coffee in your cup.
Crypto Cowboys, Moon or Alimony Bags. Subscribe to Road Dog Crypto now. Like or bear eats ya. Better Crypto Cowboy.
Well, what happened there? Better call Road Dog. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get on with the show. We're watching Bitcoin drop like a rock. From over here, I'm on the tiny 6-minute time frame. It looked a little, I remember being a little bullish last night. I remember being a little bullish. We're making higher highs. A little cautious, but bullish. I remember seeing this ribbon flip over here. I remember that bullish sentiment. I also remember us talking about that I would expect this to come up and come down, and I thought maybe we might be able to get up to around 79, maybe, before we broke this trend line. Unfortunately, that is not what happened, but it is this area over here around 74,000, 73.9, this bigger 382. It looked like we were catching something here on the local 382, that dotted line. I made it dotted. Keep it local. And here, let me explain our reasoning behind this. This is the local move that we got, right? The local impulse, the most recent impulse that took us up to here. Bouncing off of this 382, that would be great. That would be awesome. But I'm doubting that it might hold, right? Now, a 50% retrace from that would be getting into Charles Dow theory, right? Well, that's down here about 74,002. Now, that's for this impulse move, right? I'm looking a little broader, right? I'm pulling my fib a little deeper. We pulled our fib from the very low. That's where we're getting the $74,000 area right here. It's lighting up very, very, very. Oh, I gotta move my line up right there. Perfectly with that 0.5 Fibonacci. Right there, 74,000. Yeah, right there at it. That is the stronger move that I'm looking for that comes to the bottom of our bigger channel. Coming from this wiki area to these body areas. Probably can dial you in a little bit better over here. But coming down through there, and hopefully that will hold. It doesn't have to. We could come down a little lower. I hope we don't come down to a 618, but that's possible. That starts getting into some sketchy trend lines, though. We have to start worrying about, well, where is that damn angle? What angle are we looking for here? To me, that would be... we are on this one, in my personal opinion. So I would really like to see us catch about 74,000. We got a bullish cross that's trying to happen over here, hopefully, with the 360 trying to cross the 800 moving average. We are testing the 800 moving average. We are also on some very, very local support right now, so we might get a little bounce here and come back and retest 76 over this weekend too, or even higher before we ever make it down to 74,000. But I do remember saying last night and even a few nights before, as we started coming down here, 74,000 is really where I would like to see it. That would be the healthy place to bounce. I would feel a lot more confident if we can bounce there. We got some strong momentum coming from the 800 and 600, which are still kind of down. And we're testing the 800. There's the 360 trying to be a little bullish. And of course, Miss Lucy, the 666 moving average, right down here. Hopefully we don't have to touch her, but a lot of time, who knows, man, when it comes to the devil in the market. Good thing that we're above it rather than below it. That's about all that we can say over here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's about what I'm looking for Bitcoin. Some things to note that are interesting at the moment. Now, some people are going to be looking at this as a bear flag and playing it as a bear flag, measure move for that. Depends on which school of thought that you want to go with. Now, if you're watching what you're typically, if you got your education here on YouTube, you would be looking at this for most cases and putting this at the breakout and then expecting a measure move to come down to 70,000. Looking over to the left, that would drag us all over here. Probably, if you're learning here on YouTube, you probably don't have this trend line under here to tell you that that's a little too far to go, mister. And if you're learning here on YouTube, you probably are not familiar with Thomas Bukowski's talk on flags and their percentage to meet their measure move, because he is your percentage guy. It's 46% right there. So if you apply that multiplier as is proper to this, that puts it at half this distance, right? I like to use my Fibonacci because, well, it's just a 100% scale from this 0 point to this 1 point. That would be the 100. If I drag it down to the 0.5 and a little bit lower to 4.6, that's it. We're getting right in the area where your measure move would actually be just the width of this, if we apply the math to it, right? And you put it to the top over here, we're almost there. I'm going to mark this as a Bukowski measured move, 74,800. And if you look at what we get when we apply that math, just from over here on the patternsite.com, people, there's nothing new. He wrote the book on pattern trading. If you're not familiar with the encyclopedia chart patterns, well, you're not really learning from the man who put all the statistics out there and did all the back testing and all the homework and broke down how pattern trading really works in today's world, right? The legendary Thomas Bukowski, the GOAT. All right, so I'm going to mark this little guy as a Bukowski measure move. That's a Bukowski MM, as said over here. And I track this stuff. We see how accurate that you are, baby. And meanwhile, the other people that would be applying this, maybe, and Thomas Bukowski will tell you to do the same thing, to apply your measure moves from the top over here. And I used to buck that system altogether until I started getting into fibs and harmonics and using the measure moves on the fibs. Yeah, it makes a hell of a lot more sense why it would be a lot more accurate. But even if we put it right down there, where there's also a little harmony with the width of the channel, that takes us down to that 382 right over here. So we got the best of both worlds right there. while the typical misapplication of that, the old ballsy thing, might have you coming down here, and then you might get one of those guys that likes to just stretch their measure move to wherever the hell they want, and you never know what the hell's going on in that case. Anytime they move that little sucker, they've just violated the whole principle behind taking a measure move. You don't tweak your measure move, man. What the hell's wrong with you? So we're looking about 74,900-ish and about $74,000 as areas to bounce from. I am really looking more for the 74,000. That's my take on Bitcoin. Overall, it's not bad. We got a ribbon flip trying to happen over here. If you zoom out to the daily, it can be looking a little more scary over here because it also looks like we're trying to do a negative ribbon flip. So I think that's where we're starting to pick up some of the bearish sentiment that we're starting to see out here. People saying, "Oh no, that was it. 80, that was the top." And what we did over here at 82, that's the top. That's the top. Now we're going to go down to 38,000. And I'm not going to say that that's not possible. I am going to say I'm going to go to a fresh chart over here. Well, if I still got a target over there, sounds crazy until that one day at 93,000. That's a big ask right there. But if we are bottoming out here, remember what has happened over here. When we came down 59,000, week back up, and we have not seen that since February. Knock on wood, because we could be in a much different situation. But what we've done is we're in this rising channel. It's bearish by nature, right? Support for this idea is right here, about 72 for this channel, and it could break to the downside. It may not. 200 moving average rejection over here on the daily. That's kind of a lot to take in. But so far, the momentum, we still got some momentum in the right order. And there's a chance that we can come up here and test these guys. A chance. This was a 618 Fibonacci area over here, 83,000. We didn't quite touch it, but we got rejected from that area. That's a little bit more bearish than bullish because we didn't actually make contact with those areas. We'll weigh that into the account over here. But the chances are that we're just bouncing up here, and if we made a double bottom at support, this was also really close to a fib support level down here. There's a strong area at 58. That's where your actual 618 boot comes. Maybe we're on our way down there, or maybe we're just retesting this area over here of this nice double bottom. So we got this shape here, and coming down to retest this area is quite possible. We could bounce from this area. We could come a little deeper and still catch that. I'm cool with that. We still got another chance to come back up to around 84 at least, maybe even take that high out. That's a little ballsy to see right now, but that could be happening as long as we can kind of hold this 50 moving average, and I hope that we hold the 50. Honestly, that would be good. Looking here on the daily, that tells us that that's a pretty important area to hope. We lose it before, but we recover it, so we could come down, bounce off the 100. Maybe we need to. I hope not. But it does look like we are trying to lose that 50. That's getting a little nervous. I can see why people might be able to show a little concern now, because that's the sign that your nice little trend is not as trendy anymore. We're starting to get into this fartaciously green cloud over here where it gets a little stinky over there. Meanwhile, I was getting down to the degen time frames on the 1 minute, and it's saying, what the hell are you talking about? I'm bullish AF right now. Look at this. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm getting back over here. I'm making new highs. What the hell? You're talking all bearish, and I'm ready to party on the weekend. So we got the 1 minute getting a little, I don't know, it went to the powder room and came back just a little bit more excited than we remember it being before it went to the powder room there. And you're like, what the hell goes on with these women in these powder rooms? They just come back and there's like, oh my God, let's go dance. I'm like, jeez. They got cornstarch. They powder their noses with cornstarch is what it look like. They sure are happy when they come out. All right. So, are we trying to do something half-ass bullish over here? half-ash bullish over here. Remember, I said that we got a local support area if you want to come down and see what the smaller time frames might be reacting to, at least by my system and my theory. I'm going to come out. I'm going on. This is 30-minute chart, 36 minutes, somewhere through there. 30-minute chart, right? Like, you got bearish cross going over here with these moving averages. That's still a warning sign. Still a warning sign. But when we pull our fibs from Sean, thank you, Sean, from low to high over here, you see that we're right here in the little pivot area. The little magic basement pivot area over here, where we could come up a little bit before we continue to roll on over. So we found some local support, but the momentum is still, unfortunately, a little to the downside this weekend. So, interesting weekend that we got going on for Bitcoin, but then you take a look at Total 3, which is also, it also got a pullback too. Now, it's at support, and interestingly enough, it's doing, what the hell? Interestingly enough, what is that? Interestingly enough, it is catching some support here on the 1 hour, a higher low. This still might be an interesting weekend for altcoins. I'm trying to make a double bottom over here. We came back down, making a higher low, possible higher low. Seems to be sticking along this trend line, adding strength to this trend line rather than taking away. After making a higher high over here, altcoins are still, I still feel that altcoins have some bullish possibilities. So, keep our eyes on that. And then take a look here at Bitcoin dominance. What is helping these altcoins to do it? Bitcoin dominance losing this yellow line area. That's better than we'd hoped for. Better than I'd hoped for. I didn't even think it would test it that much. I thought it might bounce a little early. But now we're starting to really test this. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And keep on coming down, baby. The more this comes down, the more it helps our altcoins to be a little bit more happy. When Bitcoin dominance is coming down, meaning this is in the red part over here, you 2 out of 3 times your altcoins are doing, something positive. So it's a good thing to see this one in the red. We always want to see this one coming down for altcoins. And we're getting a little bit of that. So that's on our side for altcoins. And take a look over here at the Tether dominance. Some money be selling back into Tether over here, probably coming out of Bitcoin, maybe some choice altcoins or whatever. Got to keep an eye on this one. This one might be trying to break back into the pattern. If it does, then it will ruin our champagne dreams and caviar wishes. Or is it the other way around? For altcoins this weekend, with that little bullish push, maybe that area of support will give way. So it's kind of a toss-up between this and Total 3. So we see this come back down, we'll probably see Total 3 go up, and vice versa. See this pop up, probably see altcoins go down a little bit. I know I would be thinking about trying to sell out of them dirty bastards. But as far as the tech stocks and things like that on Wall Street go today, they didn't have a bad day on a Friday. They had a pretty nice little day. I still think they got a little bit more to go till they touch one of the strong pivot points. And as long as they're still happy, well, we can probably be a little happier. So we got a little sell-off on Bitcoin today, basically. A little scaredy. But we knew that we were at resistance over here. We talked about it Fibonacci wise and every other wise. It was telling us it needs a break. We just got to figure out how big of a break that it can take. And so we're looking at 73. We saw that 74,000 was a nice target on the earlier. That is the 382, the major 382. This is the one that I think that would be very beneficial if we actually do come down and touch it. This little guy right there. If I can make you bigger, that would be 40,000 in the bathroom too. If only you were bigger, I could see you better. But she said, right here at 74,000. And it seems like we may get there, we may not get there. We're just getting started. A lot of things can happen. We can, like I said, we're at a local area of support. Let's draw that out here again. 382. Gosh. Be nice if this thing would work right. Okay, 382 to the very top, red over here. And you see the nice little areas that we're recovering from. These are the bouncy areas, people. These are the bouncy areas. I am having. Why do I have too many windows open or something? This thing's getting kind of laggy over here. All right, can I grab? Thank you for letting me grab that. All right, so we might come back. We might even get bullish enough to start seeing 76.8 again. That would suck if you're trying to short this weekend. If you got into a late short, you might face some a little reckoning to happen over there. Oh, for Pete's sake, over here. So let's take a look right here. 76.6. Well, that is an area of interest. That's a 0.5 retracement right there. Well, that'd be a nice little place to bounce. Oh, we don't know what's going to happen, right? This is where the moving averages are also coming in, kind of helping out your momentum indicators. Now, as we try to reclaim that 9 moving average, right? That's a little bullish. We can come up to the 21. That's bringing us back to this other area that we just were hoping that would hold, but lost. And then our 50 moving average area over here, where we just got a bearish cross, the death cross on the 36 minute of the 50 over the 200. So these are some possible upside targets as we play around this weekend, and the 1 minute gets bullish. So jumping into any kind of shorts over here just because it's a red candle day, well, the market makers are here to make you regret that idea as we play around and channel ideas that could pop us all the way back up here, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's my spiel. Let's come over and talk to you guys, 14 of the coolest people ever. What do you think is going to happen this weekend? You think we're going to pop? You think we're going to drop? We got Strega in the house. How you doing, Strega? My OG right there. Your turkey fell asleep today. I went to the chiropractor earlier today and got a little adjustment thing going on, and that tired me out even more. I've been feeling very tired, but yeah, fell asleep. Had a nice little nap for a change. So my apologies for being late tonight, people. But we are here. Happy Friday, says Tony Gold. Happy Friday to you, my friend. King Hell's in the house. Shout out to you, my man. I like munching milky cereal. Yeah, it's awesome, isn't it? Sometimes it gets in between your teeth, but that's okay. A little flossy there takes care of that. But yeah, there's nothing. Milky's nothing like our good MILF. Road Dog is sponsored by Good Ass Coffee. That's good and ass at the same time. It is very good and ass at the same time. Damon wins. Where do I get this music? Time for a round of likes. Why is this thing not working? Damien, thank you for asking that question. Here, let me point you to the right answers. If you want some of the songs that you'll be hearing tonight, some of them, you can come over to Defcoin Records over here on YouTube, and this is where I've been releasing the music lately. If you want some of the older, and because I've got a lot that I've not released over onto the other place that you can find it, which is wherever you stream music. Road Dog Crypto Topic is what my distributors put out, this little place. And this is where the majority of it, which has been released on streaming services. You can also find it over here on YouTube too. But I do have I've got a couple of albums over here, and some of the songs. But the Bull Run is a fairy tale. This one's a whole album. So we got about 11 songs in this whole album. Very similar to some music you're listening tonight. But I've got it across all genres over here. So there's country, and there's rock, there's hip hop. There is something for everybody. If you've been on my channel for a while, you'd hear the variety of music that we have over here. It is all original crypto themed music, and that's where you can find it. And if you're looking for some music videos, well, that's over on the Crypto Music TV channel over here. And that's where we have the music video contest that's currently going on. And I'm trying to see if we're going to keep this show alive or not. I need to see episode 3 do as well as at least episode 1, right? I got to see this doing things. Squirrely Dave comedy. It's a little bit of adult humor there, but he's not horrible or anything. But I don't know. Go check him out. Titty Shape the World is his latest release here that came from episode 3. Squirrely Dave. But the music videos are also over here, as well as a crazy commercial. Where are the damn music videos, Sean? But any music videos that I've got will be showing up over here, and they're also part of the contest. But that's where you can get more exposure to the music that you're hearing tonight, other than hanging around here with all the cool kids and hearing it whenever I shut my mouth, which doesn't happen very often. Might also recommend that you go check out Ave Medina's channel over here. He's got some great videos and music over there as well. Did I just screw that up? I think I just screwed that up. But thank you for asking that question. Hopefully that give us all an answer. Can I get back on target? Okay, yeah. Chat. Here we go. We're back. A nap must be nice. It actually was nice, and I still feel tired from it. Ready for a drop. Stables locked and loaded. There you go. Awesome. I got to help share it. Please do, because nobody gives a damn. It seems like there's very few people. But the music is flowing in here on the regular. It's almost, I've got something going on. Pretty much. You're always in the intros of my show, and the outros is kind of where I debut the new music. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get on with the show. We took a look at the weather, the indices, to see how it's feeling. And altcoins may have something good going on this weekend. They're on the cusp, but it looked like it could be promising. Bitcoin looks like it's trying to do a little short rebound here. Try to get some of the late shorts and take care of them. And we may still go up a little bit and make our way back down as they play the weekend well games with us. Yeah, it says, love the music. Always good stuff. Thank you, my man. Thank you. I appreciate that. And I appreciate the feedback. It helps me keep me in line and helps me do better. Not only did I lose my Ethereum trade, I also found a calculation that doesn't really matter. I can't buy compute or crypto faster than the rich people. I'll never catch up. I saw the calculation yesterday. Sorry about your Ethereum trade. Submit your coin request for live analysis. Priority goes to members and super chats. That's the one right there. Okay, so that's my marker. If you got anything that you want to share a chart, got a question about a chart. I don't know. Just want to see the turkey do what he says about the chart. Just so you can say, hi, you suck, turkey, you're wrong. Which, I don't know. A second opinion. Just want to share an idea. You can post it in the group right there. I like it when people share ideas over here. All right. In the meantime, until then, we go take a look at the market. We make our own little list over here. This is what's down. This is the I like to look for things over here that show up over here for a few days, and then they come back over here. There's a cycle, a rotation. This is our top 300. Some of the names that we may want to pick up over here, at least look at, is Kite and Lighter. Compound, are you coming? Oh, you're at a decent price, Compound. You might be coming down. This thing was up about $25, I believe, and now we're around 20, so we got a nice little discount from that. So we want to find some bottoming levels over here for these guys to see if there's a possible entry. Since they're down, and maybe they got some more to come down. Maybe they do. Zcash You're no longer around $700. You're more around $600. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying that. I remember when Binance dumped you and scared the whole market of you and brought you down to around $30, telling everybody you were crap. And when Binance says that translation is we're buying on the down low. We're trying to do you dirty and scare you and ruin your bag so we can get it cheaper. And that's the translation for Binance whenever they put out anything. VVV is down a little bit, but it's still $17 damn dollars. And Dash. We got Pingu. Are you worth looking at? People like Pingu. And now the ones that are getting that were over here and getting the run up now, I haven't seen you up here in a minute. Alderia Beat. That one just did a big giant green dildo with straight up. She's too late to chase that one, in my personal opinion. Block Street getting a little bit more love. Probably need to keep our eyes on that one. BSB, don't know what the hell. Billions Network, people seem to like that little bastard. Sky AI Lab back into the picture, still under $5. INJ holding over $5 there. And Atom, of all things. Atom continuing to kind of show up over on the left side, green side over here, more than the right, where it's been for the last 4 years or so. All right, we got 9 people hanging out with us. We got Bitcoin on the 6-minute time frame, climbing over the 9, the 21, and the 50 moving average, meaning this downward trend is being challenged right now, and we're getting ready to do, if we're going to come down, we're getting a little correction to the upside before we come down further. Most likely that's what we're looking for. So if for all the people that were like, I'm shorting right here, we're at 75,000, I'm opening a short, that's a bear flag to the downside. They're going to get caught up in the drawdown and maybe start flip-flopping. And by the time we do come back down to these areas, if we do, which I think that we probably will, they're just all torn apart. I'm like, can't wait till I get in a little bit of profit and get out of this damn trade. If we're looking to shorts, we're trying to find one now, and 76.6 would be a nice little area. This little area over here, back retest around 76,000, might be a little place to try to look to short if you're trying to short. Otherwise, there might be some little tiny scalp longs if you're wanting to play that game on the choppy weekend, which usually leads to a lot of choppy price action, and it's a difficult game to play. But hey, sometimes we get bored, I guess. I'm more interested in what altcoins might be doing. See what we can find over here. All right, so I'm gonna come over to the 4 hour. The 4 hour on Bitcoin, just to remind me of our flow and what we got going on and this area of support that we're here touching right now. This little guy right here. It's not too horrible. Namaste. The momentum is trying to come with us. It may be a little turbulent, but hey, overall, I'm not freaking out. Not calling for $60,000 yet or anything like that just yet. There's still some opium. All right, move over to, let's check out Kite. With some good ass coffee. Solana, half-baked Solana. So what do we got going on over here? Okay, so I've got an idea that I'm looking for, and it's far from completing, right? It qualified for one qualification here. Well, move this up. That might have changed, right? Oh, that's even better. I'm looking for a possible Gartley pattern over here. See where we bounce. Tell us to where we might actually come up to, but it could be taking us to 30 cents. Maybe higher, maybe. We had this little guy here. That was cool. And that gave us a test over here of this guy. Didn't quite take it out. We're coming back down. But if we can come down about 16.5 cents, that would be cool. We don't even have to go that low at all, though. We don't have to go that low at all. Alright, so where could you be coming down to, Kai? Let's go from the very bottom to the very top. There's this one little area right here we might want to pay attention to, right at 18.4 cents, right in that little area. Could be catching some support there too. We got more from this angle than any angle that I'm getting over here. That's where we got the strongest trend line going right there. Let's take that little guy and pull it down here. Well, you're testing it right now. Still open to a possibility coming down this low. Okay, so Kite, I don't see any bottoming just yet. So I don't think we got a good signal here just to jump in. And I expect that we'll see that out of some of these. Take a look at lighter real quick over here on the 4 hour. It's probably in the same situation. Possible support area here. Testing this area right now. Some of these I think we can see them come lower if we give them just a day or two, right? That's a nice place to look. It's at a perfect place to look, but no confirmations that that's going to hold. Have a little bit better luck, I think, looking for the 618 down here. Come down to the smaller time frames. Oh, it's like you're trying to do something and respect it over here. We'll mark you. Definitely a possible bounce area. Let's come over here. Check our trend. Oh, well, I'm liking you better. I take that back. I'm actually kind of liking this one a little bit better. I can see a play to try to happen here. So, in my personal opinion, for what we're doing now, we're either going to make a higher high or we're going to make a lower high if we bounce here, right? So, if I'm trying to play this on the weekend, I'm going to be looking at my fib pull over here. Now, there's a very hopeful thing that we could be looking at highs over here, but I'm not worried about this at the moment. No, not that. If we're looking for higher highs, I'm looking somewhere around the 152 to 156 area right over here. And we're already in the nice little possible accumulation zone for our play right here, right? So is there something here? And then our lower high area, I want to come at least probably about a 618. So this is a nice little setup to try to play this little range. Just got to figure out if it is worth it. If we were to get in here with a tight ass stop loss, where would this idea be invalidated? Well, breaking this trend line, closing candles below it would just kill everything. So I can put my stop loss somewhere around, what is this, about 113? We're at what, 117 right now? Do we have the risk to reward? Is it there? Well, that's a 4-to-1 to get up there to a mid target. And honestly, from where we drop, that's what we need to go be retesting. But the possibility, if we try to go up higher, could turn into like an 8-to-1. A 4-to-1, that's enough without being too greedy. That's actually pretty gosh darn good. So LIT, I think I see a trade right there. Let's see if we can come over and find you, LIT. Are you over here? Let's see, check our, okay, it's Blowfin. They started us out at 3x, and that is fine. Put my stop loss down at 113. That would be my invalidation. I'm on the 1 hour over here. That's why it looks so weird. So my stop loss. Well, that gives me a really good risk reward. I can actually go much harder than I thought.
Woke up today, no alarm screaming in
All right.
no boss breathing down my neck.
And I'm looking about 135. Just looking for a little simple trade over here.
Still there, still growing slow like mold on bread. You forgot in the back row, bought the flat I used to rent.
Just looking to come right over here. Just a little trade.
Just a door that locks.
So there's my little amount of 4-1 here on the 15-minute time frame. Just a little scalp. Just see if we can come up and make a little lower high, bouncing off this trend line. What the hell's going on over here? Do I need it? Is there anything I can take profit on? Is that a short on Bitcoin? 21%. Oh, here's one. The Bitcoin short. And my little rule is when I get 25% in, I'm at least taking 25% profit. Just as a general little rule there. All right. My Tau trade's down 25% there. All right, so looked at LIT. I kind of like that one. Let's take a look at Solana real quick. See what Solana's doing over here on Binance. $84. Solana's not been getting very much love lately, has it? I mean, it looked cool when it was around a 97. Still got some possible target areas over here. Going to leave those there. So we broke out of this little guy, came up, couldn't get past this little guy, came back to the bottom of the channel area, Bobby. Hopefully this trend line and this trend line down here will give us the support that we need, somewhere around $84, $83 on Solana. So what we need, we're just in a nice sideways accumulation range in my personal opinion. We could see a little bit lower. I hope that we don't. I want to zoom out to the daily on you to get some information. Can you go down cheaper, Solana? That is a bearish 9 crossing the 50. And what else? The 100. But this is bullish. That's bullish. That's a testy test. So for all the whole week, we've been down to these areas before, but make consecutive higher lows every time that we come down with these candles. 83 just seems to be holding as support until it breaks. Well, I have seen no reason to doubt it. It's a little bit more of a push here. You might see a little bit of a deeper test, but I just see choppy here. It's doing some good things. It's doing some of the right things, making higher highs out of this range and higher lows. The big ass accumulation zone, where I believe that smart money are just gradually building a bag of Solana. And it's probably easier to build one on the weekends when it's around $83, $84 than it is to whenever she decides to start pumping up closer to 100. I'm sure that there are some calls for lower for Solana, $50 or whatever, but you know, that crap's got to happen first though, right? I mean, we saw $8 at one time last bear market with the scare. Nobody wanted to touch it, me included. And some people were sitting there waiting for it to go back to $8 and it never did. Some people were waiting for it to go back to 12 to 15 and it never did. But there is an argument for a nice little trend line right through here that we could be holding on bigger and an area of support around 81. So I think we're in just a nice little accumulation zone personally. Possible triple bottom setup here since we got a nice little sideways range going on. And I would look for that, and if you want to add a little Wyckoff theory excitement, at some point she might come down to 70, wick down here a little, and then start taking off. That's something that can happen in these big accumulations, so we take it slow in here, right? Take a look at Compound. I guess here on Bitstamp. Compound, I like this one. I'm not in it at the moment, though. It got up to $140 in November 2024. After being in some of the areas that it is right now, $20 and things like that. Compound, what are you doing over here? We expected this area, that's a rejection area, but also part of the bigger accumulation idea. We got this nice little area. We might make it down here to back to around the $16, $17. Right now, let's see. We'll retest these areas about, well, almost where we are now, lower 19. I kind of like what I'm seeing here. I see a 21 trying to cross a 50 moving average after a 9 already did. We're in a red cloud, little sliver of green happening. I think we're just kind of testing this area here before we try to go up. I might actually, let's come down to the smaller time frame. No entries yet because she's still trying to figure out. There's no sign of a bottom being hit just yet, so too early on this one right now. I think we're getting close, but should start seeing something, a double bottom, something, a triple bottom, some kind of support formation where it starts going a little sideways somewhere. That's what we're waiting for. Not just trying to catch it when it's just a big freaking purple candle. So a little bit more time on comp. In the meantime, let's take a look at the ones that are up. Let's take a look at BSB. So while these guys are headed down, these guys are looking kind of interesting, having a big spiky ass day right there. Look at that. $1.15. It appears that this is what people are looking at right now. It's a 4-hour time frame. Looks more bullish than anything else I'm seeing over here right now, I gotta say. I see a bearish cross of 9 over 21, and then we pumped after it. Now what happened? That went up to 270. Ricky's tired. And then came back to 90 cents. A pumper dumper. I like this. This being a possible bear trap. I think I might take a little trade on this one. My argument would be this. My validation would be crossing that little X there. Giving back the ground that it's got means, well, you're not going to keep this as support and just keep your little happy ass back in here making it the bear trap. So, let's see. Can I get something over here? I'm kind of liking this. It's awkward AF, and you just cleared this area here. Okay. That could be a 50% up to that area, about 184. Could argue we got a breakout over here. Bodies to wicks, breakout. So where to put me stop loss? Probably underneath this 9 moving average here on the 1 hour. which ironically is way the hell down. Is it? No. Okay, there you are. You're up there. I didn't see you. Okay, that's cool. All right, is the risk to reward ratio there? That's a 2-to-1 if I go that deep. That's a little bit too deep for me. My main trend line is over through here. I can tighten up my stop loss. We're at 115. Oh shoot, that's on the 1 hour. And what is this, about 104? So I can go about 10 cents less and get a nice 5-to-1, something like that. This is BSB. Let's see if I got access to it over here on the Blowfin. Oh look, you are over here, right? Reacts. I don't know if I got enough money over here to work this out or not. Check out some of these other trades over here. This is Tau. Oh, let's see. These are. I always fail to have a stop loss on these Bitcoin trades for some reason. All right, let's try Arbit. Do you not have me logged in? Oh my gosh, are we not logged in? I can't go through this right now. I can't even see you right now. Oh, there you are. Oh, come on. Because I'm on, got a live stream here making me look bad. Oh, for the love of God, people. All right, so it ain't going to be Arbit. We could go to Weeks, but it's so janky on this computer. And I don't even know if they got anything over here. Well, it seems like they got it. Okay. Well, I guess we'll play it over here on Weeks. Oh, first thing first is to take this crazy ass leverage down where they try to get you. I will go down to 5x on this one. You got a requirement. I got to get at least 10 of these. Hey, janky ass exchange. Oh, for the love of God, just buy the damn thing. We're gonna just go ahead and mark it. We did our analysis over there. Oh my God, you're pissing me off. Why are you pissing me off?
While it's hemorrhaging, let's see if I survive in it.
Okay, we got it. What's this on the 4 hour? It looks kind of janky as hell over here. All right, stop loss. Ooh, we can't go too big over here. The 15-minute. Why do you make it so hard to control my damn account over here, Weeks? I'm just asking for a friend. Because you have make me get a total minimum over here? Alright, so I gotta change something over here. It's breaking me rules. So if I want to be conservative with the stop loss, that doubles it up. I need to get out of some of this. And I can't because they have a minimum requirement. That's what's screwing me up, isn't it? All right. Well, what else can we do over here? Yeah, suddenly I'm not liking this trade for me on this particular exchange because it's putting me in jeopardy. I got that now. I got to double up my loss. All right. Well, that didn't work out as well for me as I'd hoped. Let's take a look at Bill, or how about Sky AI? 30 cents. Zoom out to the daily on you. What's going on? 50 moving average support. That's interesting. I'm not crazy about that. Not so that you're going to hold. Not so that this one's going to hold just yet. Nice parabolic move. It came back, and I know it looks like you say, oh, look, we can buy the dip. But after a parabolic move like this, this dip usually keeps on giving, right? Even if it does come back up, you kind of usually find yourselves back down here, and then something else happens, right? There has to be a reaccumulation event going over, and it takes a while after these guys. We don't just keep on. Rarely does that happen. That we just bounce and go on our happy ass. And, so, Sky AI, you're not as bullish as I thought. Makes me want to come back and take a look at Total 3 and others real quick, just to make sure that we're getting a good interpretation over there. So this is Total 3. Okay, we're still on the cusp of it. 50 moving average. This is what the daily. We're down here where we could hold. Okay, but others. Similar, actually, others looks a little bit better. So some of the smaller market cap altcoins are looking a little bit stronger than just some of even the bigger ones. Okay, that's cool. That's cool to know. What about Zcash? What are you looking like, Zcash? Look, it nailed our target. And the target going up more. That little trade idea got stopped out. What the hell was that? Sean, was that yours? Flag to the upside didn't play out. We didn't put a flag. Surely we didn't do a flag to the upside, Sean. That's not us. We're not the flag to the upside dude. We're the flag to the upside warning dude. Oh my God. I'm so embarrassed. What happened? All right, so Zcash is coming down just a little bit. That's cool. She hit these target areas. Hell yeah. Double topped over here at 685. There's a Bukowski measure move. We're kind of keeping our eye out over here. But what is that, about 720? Oh, 720. Trying to figure out kind of where we might be catching some support. That's not the greatest idea. We're tracking this little guy. That helps out a little bit. You've got a nice possible harmonic thing going on. It could be bring us down here back to 470. We don't know until we break trend lines, right? They're not even the best and greatest of trend lines. But there might be a third touch right here. I want to see what happens here. 200 moving average. Somewhere around 570 if we get down there, right? We bounced off before we even got down there, so. M-top. I think we're just seeing a nice little healthy price action. We're making higher highs and hopefully some higher lows out of this. And I'm hoping that we can continue this curve. Zcash, if you recall, is one that is doing quite well. Found it in this pattern, and I would really like to see some more in these patterns. We found several that are. They take them a little while to play out, but and XRP is well, gosh darn, it's still down here in one of its patterns. Zcash has been a nice little performer there. Ultimately looking to come up to here, but it just getting up to C point. That was great. That's what we're testing right now is this area, this little C point area right here. We got a chance to be coming up to 770 or maybe higher, but it at least a range through here. Nice. Like to see this on something else. That was a nice trade for us. We're going to take a look at Ton coin, TON. On a little pullback, where are you at? At 185, you were up to 291, down $1. Sounds like a discount. Sounds like a discount. Sounds like we might be heading back down to this 50 and 200 moving average area down here is what it sounds like, retesting some areas. And that would be healthy. I'm cool with that. What did I race? Okay, I'm good. Right now, it looks like we're retesting this little guy. Right through here and all the way down even to here.
Where do we begin? Chopping like broccoli. Markets a mess. Only winners are the suits and the fancy dress. Chopping my bags, chopping my hope to the price that passes. Now I just cope.
618. Nice area. I'll be looking for the 786. I think that one. We won the sweeter entries down there, although we'll keep an eye. Coming to 618. This is on the daily. We'll come down the smaller time frame, see if we're getting any traction over there. The daily's telling us you just now got the cross of the 9 over the 21, so that could be what puts us down here to this other area. But we'll come down 4 hour. Anything on the 4 hour 200 moving average support that might hold. Maybe you lost a trend line idea here, so maybe not. Come down to the 1 hour, not seeing any sign that you're trying to bottom out, but it might try to do something here this weekend. We'll keep an eye on it. I still kind of think 151 might be coming in the future, but we'll see. We'll see. There's arguments that we can hold right here. So not time yet for a ton, but we'll keep an eye on it. Let's take this trend line here and see. It may be playing against this trend line too. Take a look at VVV. Look at you. Let's zoom the hell out. This thing is just pretty much went straight up. There's a very strong price action over here. Turkey getting tired. Wow, sleepy turkey. Still in a nice trend line, still above the 9 on the daily. I still think we're headed toward 22, 23 if you just give it a little bit of time. Higher high may come down for a higher low. My test $15. That would still be kind of cool. See a nice big curve. I gotta come over and take a look at the tokenomics on BBB. I keep forgetting what it is. What makes you so special again? What is that? What the hell is it that you do? 80 million 80 million total supply. That has a lot to do with the price and price action. 46 million in circulating. That's a lot to do with it. It's on base. And remind me again what the hell you are and what you do. All-time low was 91 cents. Don't you feel silly for not getting a big old ass bag of it there? Venice AI. Ask me anything. What color underwear am I wearing? Right now. See how smart it really is. I have no way of knowing that. I am a text-based AI. I can't see you. You have to tell me yourself if you really want me to know. I don't know if it's a smart, but it's a smart ass. Well, being as VVV, you at least got that going for you. That looks interesting. Describe the image. A naked chicken. A naked baked chicken. Oh, a naked fried chicken. Dancing as a stripper. That's what I want to see. Is this free? Why is it doing it for free for me? What's going on over here? That is not a... That's a... Well, I got a feeling it's not quite as censored as... What the hell is this? A naked... I asked for a naked fried chicken dancing as a stripper. Now, you guys know that I'm trying to do something with twerky, right? Twerky went on break and I haven't seen my twerky. This is what I was going for. Maybe I didn't describe myself. Instead, I got Madonna like she's been battered in What is this? She's extra. It looks tasty with 11 herbs and spices. The breast looks really appealing right over here. I don't know if you do you take the skin off of your breast? Is the skin your favorite part? But you got some extra crispy chicken breast over here. The thighs look kind of good. It looks like some good eating. I ain't gonna. I'm saving this. I'm saving it. I don't know why, but I'm saving it. That's That's crazy. What the? Okay, so I'm at some kind of AI thing over here on Venice BBB, which I don't know how much is free, but what's the token for? It said to ask anything. Access leading AI models with your privacy in mind. Create text, image, video, code, build agents, and more using full private or anonymized models from leading AI provider. Okay, but how does okay, I don't understand. Uncensored AI chat, images, video, and more. Well, apparently we got a damn chicken lady over there. So I don't understand the purpose of your token, though. Oh, that's not you. Do I need that? All right. I'm still not clear on the damn use case for the token, though. And it doesn't tell me over here. Arkham. Log in or sign up. How do we, what's the deal here? What about create your Venice account? Sign in with Google. Let's see how easy this is. Or try Venice without an account. I'll try it with an account. You don't want to, I'm not connecting a wallet because you'll dox me. Verify you're human. Alright, let's see what you do. Whatever. Let's see what VVV's all about. Welcome to Venice AI. Enable persistent chat storage. I'll enable that later. Ask me anything. Studio? Holy crap, I may mess with this. Maybe giving Grok some competition over here. What's in my pocket? Well, if you don't know what color underwear I'm wearing, I'm pretty sure you're not going to know what's in my pocket and give me the same smart ass answer. But I'm interested to see you draw some more naked fried chicken ladies over here, though. That was weird AF. I ain't gonna lie. All right, well, Venice token, interesting. I may have to play with that later, but it still doesn't. Okay? Let me just go ahead and ask it. Maybe it should know, right? Ask me anything. Why are you in caps? I'm sorry. I'm not trying to shout.
Smiling with teeth, knowing exactly what I seen there at the table. Call the pocket, sink my hope. I choke my stick, think.
What is its use case?
But they beg the day, leave me scratching my head. Busting my balls while I'm already.
I want to find out. See what it says. I want to ask the source. The BBV token is the native utility token of Venice AI. Here's how it's utilized. It's key cases. Core utility staking for API access. Users can stake VVV to receive SVVV, stake VVV. Stake VVV can be locked to mint DM tokens at the current mint. This is getting too cagey. Each DM token confers $1 per day of API credit or can be used as a $1 per day of credit in the Venice app. Somehow we introduced two more tokens layered on top of this one to get this thing going. That it may or that's a little sketchy. I'm just saying it's creating derivatives, and this is where money gets lost and obfuscated, in my personal opinion. All right, so BBV serves as the economic backbone of the Venice ecosystem. Token holders can participate in the platform's economic model through staking. Okay, yeah. But you only get $1 a day of credit for staking. It doesn't sound... How else are you going to pay for the other time? Binance AI conducted a single airdrop of BBB to early users, the largest airdrop ever on the base blockchain. I did not know that. Oh, that's why everybody likes it. No additional airdrops are planned. There will not be a Season 2 airdrop. BBB is freely tradable on decentralized exchanges. The DMBBB token dashboard is available on Binance AI token. The primary value proposition is converting BBB into perpetual API credits through the new deal mechanism. So the benefit of having it is if you use this platform a lot, and they can give you, the more you got, the more, I guess, free usage that you can get. But how many DIM tokens will it take you to get enough to pay for what you need every day? I wonder. The limits are like. All right, well, okay. Well, now we know what the hell's going on over there. Everybody seems to like it. Think it's going to do something. It's in a parabolic curve. Maybe we'll get up to $20. Maybe we won't. Right now, in the 1 hour, because looks like she's revisiting that 618 area, retesting that. Look at the green dot on the 1 hour on the market cipher. Want to take a look at INJ. Ing. Or Inge. Here on the daily, you got the nice little green dot trying to confirm. That's interesting. You still trying to move parabolic? You still got a nice little range that you could fall down to before you go up. This is actually a nice move for INJ. I'm liking this. I'm trying to see us push up towards $7 or a little bit better. Maybe even up to 10.5 as a longer term play. INJ is a longer term play for me. I've had mine staking for a while. Nice to see it make a comeback because it was down to about $3. It got really low. Look at us now. We doubled up. And you know the history of this one. I mean, this thing was up at $44 at one point last cycle, right? Above the 200 daily moving average here, come down to the 4 hour. I'm kind of liking you. Nice ribbon flip. That is strong. That's what I like. Nice curve. So if we do get a correction and come back in the $4 areas, I would be looking at trying to accumulate. But is it going to? I guess is my question. There's a possible breakout here. A little bit of volume behind it. This bottom trend line is still holding until that breaks. Then I find no reason to talk bad about it. Even though we may test this $5 range here, $5.20 to $5. It looks strong. And that's one of the stronger ones I think that we should probably keep our eye on, INJ. May come over to the chat and see how you guys are doing. How we doing, chatty people? Selmo Fudd. Where's the one in the green dress? She can take me to the top. Oh, there's so many around here. But, she might be working at the club tonight. I don't know. I hear they got some good ass coffee at the club. That's one of the places that I don't know. Where if you're looking for where you can find that good ass coffee, I'm just saying.
The morning's gray. The clocks are full. The world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark. A golden glow.
Good ass coffee.
Coffee's here, you know. Oh, the best part of waking up.
Good ass
coffee in your cup. Sip it smooth, feel the rush. Oh, darling, nothing else can hush the blues that brew till the sun pops up.
Good ass coffee. It's the boldest, best coffee you'll ever have. Get your good ass coffee today.
Hi. Testing the smoke alarms over here. Where's the music, Sean? Business Garden says, can you take a look at ladies? Let's take a look at ladies over here. Been looking at it on the 4 hour on KuCoin. Losing this area now, starting to get some confirmations. So just like we were looking at this area when we were hanging over here, and it looked, I could try to keep it, Let's try. Finally came down here. Looks like we're going to find ourselves down here a little bit too. So you're getting that pullback that you were waiting for or hoping for as we kind of lose this little area over here. Not pushing up to try to take these highs out anymore. And now we're starting to make some lower lows here. Just testing a range. And that's kind of common with the symmetrical triangle kind of shape here at this area. So that's the next area we're looking for. And there's still one a little bit lower. It could be going to. But we're hoping that it doesn't too much. Since it made so much progress on the moving averages over here, we don't want to see them give that up. So I don't want to see a lot of bearish crosses over here, especially between this red, orange, and purple one, right? Those are the key ones I'm kind of looking at to keep us, to tell me my trend. They're telling us the trend over here. That's where the mainstream of this river, the core flow of this river is happening over here, and that still can bring us right back up here. So, but we start pulling this downward, and then, well, that's going to kind of could have a little bit more consequence than this bottom over here. So we got to keep that in mind. But so far, looking towards something to kind of accumulate and come and sweep through here. Hopefully. Dash. Look at you. Well, you came and bounced right out this little area over here. I think it's an entry, breakout entry over here for a trade setup. That's a retest idea. This one, I think it's got a good chance to actually come up to around $137. Just going by the harmonics over here. That's what I'm looking at, bigger picture wise. So something like this, pulling back on the 4 hour. I kind of like you, Dash. It gives me a chance to, because I'm sure I got stopped out or whatever. I'm not in a Dash trade now that I know of, but I see an opportunity to be in one. Let's come down to the 15 minutes, see what you look like. Could even tighten up the old stop losses over here now, since we got a nice little bounce there. Seen that? I can get a whole new trade set up. I can even get one with a tighter stop loss. Oh hell yeah, I can. That's a 45-to-1 risk to reward ratio to get to $70. Sounds a little crazy, but what about just getting back to where we were? That's a 20-to-1 ratio, because you can get a really nice risk to reward. I like this. I'm late. $43 would have been the best place to get in. We may even see close to $43 again. May see 44 out of this. But putting a stop loss somewhere around 40 to 41, that would be a validation mark. Yeah, I could go as low as 41. Go under here. I'm liking Dash. Even getting in late here on the 15-minute. Buying at resistance. Market says some other, I can pyramid in if I wanted to. I kind of like this one. Weeks, what you got on Dash? So I'm gonna nibble in. Oh crap, Weeks. Oh, I forget. You're a little slow. Yeah, we're not. Okay. 6x on Dash 40. Maybe. I'm gonna take a little. I want to set my. Set me up some limit orders over here. I'm going to try a layer in strategy over here. Altcoins scatter like balls on the break. Sharks clean up the mess, leave me wide awake. I try to bank a combo, think I'm clever, but they scratch on purpose, make me feel forever. Exchanges take the break, make us take the rest. Or if some conservatives say a falling knife strategy over here. All right, I'm going to set me up a few little orders there to let it catch this little guy if she comes down this weekend. Or Dash. No, I think it's got a chance to come down a wee bit.
Pocket my shorts while I'm chalking my cue, thinking this time of course. Busting my ball, feel the break. Sharks at the table, taking all I make. Busting my
These are very small nibbles, by the way. I'm just saying, for a very small account. Seems to be getting smaller.
losing every night. Why do
I got Solana long over here. It's down 10% right now. Well, that kind of sucky sucks. And I got a pump Dutch fund trade. I think we saw these last night or something, right? Give them a little wiggle room this weekend. Remember, on Total 3, it looks like we're trying to get some support over here again. And this could be good for altcoins this weekend. That it could be. So I'm doing some I'm doing some entries over here.
market maker sharks always on the attack? They sink my lungs.
Take a look at Adam.
While I'm chalking my cue, thinking this time of course. Busting my ball, feel the break.
Cosmos Atom, it's at 212.
Taking all I make.
Doing a lot better now than I'm kind of surprised. I mean, it was down at 167. Nobody loved it. Everybody gave up on it. I like it. It's responsible for a lot of the best chains we got out. It's responsible for BNB chain. There's so many chains built off of Cosmos ecosystem. They're a layer 0, but nobody gives a damn about it. All right, so we got a nice little flip flop happening here on our moving averages. Yeah, this would be a nice longer term trade to play, I think. And see it doubling up to $4, coming back to test 538 at some time. These guys, these areas over here and more. Sweet spot's about $12. We'd never get back there, but that's a lot to ask because we haven't been there since 2 years ago. It did not do that impressive at all last cycle. I mean, this past cycle, right? It just didn't. In 20 and 2021, I got up to $40 for Cosmos, and that was pretty good, right? That was cool. And then last cycle, the best that we saw was about 16. This was during the bear market last cycle, and it bounced from 2, went up to 16, and then that's the best that we've seen in the past. 4 years. This whole past cycle, this is what we got out of Cosmos. It's just down and downward trend. We're seeing that on several altcoins. For this past cycle, they were just forgotten about entirely. Just nobody gave a crap about. Nobody gave a crap about them. All right, so we're flirting the 200 daily moving average, and I'd like to see us climb that, not get rejected by it. Get rejected by it, then we've probably got more downside out of this guy. We don't want that. We got rejected so far, and we're still testing. And I'd like to see us break past that. So hopefully tomorrow, when we check on Cosmos, maybe we're above the 200 moving average, which is $2.11. So maybe we got that going on. 4 hour looks kind of hopeful. Now, if you're breaking above the 200 and you're going to keep on going, well, then if you think of it from that aspect, that sounds like a trade opportunity, honestly. I don't know if it's worth it, but there's something there. And if we're trying to do that and trying to come and take these guys out, so at 269, 270, I'll be looking over here at the 618. That's a 3-to-1. That's a 2.5. Not the greatest so far. You'll probably find some better trades out there that would play out better for us, is what I'm trying to say. But it's not bad. It's not horrible. It's just a little late to get in for the realistic targets that we might be trying to hit and come down from. I still like it. Oh, shoulder, head and shoulder to the upside, inverted head and shoulder, maybe something. Could be. I mean, it would qualify. It'd be something. But there's a lot of stuff going on over here too. But a basic pattern trader mentality would be, let's jump in. And that work. You got an argument. Retesting the trend line here. Oh, gosh darn it. Makes me almost want to jump in right now, too. I just don't see as much reward. Just to go from 212, maybe to go to 260, 270, something like that. Might find something that goes up a little bit better. Oh, I like it. Yay, we're dumping. Yeah, you're about to get your wish on that one. You need some sweet ass coffee. I agree. I am very sleepy. I got the old decaf though. All right, so what are we listening to? We still got the music kind of inspired by Wet Leg. I feel like mixing it up a little bit. You guys like Zeppelin? That's what the market said. John's Boxers. Jupiter. Let's take a look. You said chicken fried. Oh, I'm way back on the chat, aren't I? Fried what happened to fried chicken lady? What'd I do with her? I lost chicken lady. I got her somewhere. Chicken lady. Oh, you can zoom in on the breast. Look. Talk about being patterned. That's crazy. I was not expecting that at all. That's crazy. What is this that I'm looking at? What am I? What is this? What's showing me this picture? This is kind of a cool software. Print it. What else can we do? Something here on Windows, I think. Edit with Designer. Oh, I didn't know I had all this. Okay. Cool, I guess. Psychedelic stocks? What? Psychedelic research has been approved? Ooh, I saw that a little bit late. How much time we got? Okay. Music's a little loud in my ears here. CMPS. ATAI. I wonder how that works. I wonder how it works. You get a proportional share. Okay, that's interesting. Let's say you already looked into all this. Maybe I should look at that a little bit more on spot then. How's it going, Scar? Can't be late to a late night show. All right, so we're going to look at some psychedelic stocks. We're going to take a look at Jupiter first. Retest of the 200 moving average support line over here. Is it just a retest, or are you about to get it up? Let's come down to the 4 hour and see. Looks like a possible retest. Ooh, I like that too. I think it looks like an entry idea for me for Jupiter, or add to a position trade. I actually want to open up a little Jupiter based on that idea. And validation would be around 19 cents, about a penny away. Could even go to 18 cents if I want to give myself a little bit more wiggle room. But that's where I'm going to put my stop losses in on you. Jupiterio. Come down and change this crazy ass leverage from 20 to something a little bit more reasonable.
Working from 7 to 11 every night.
All right, Jupiter. I kind of like Jupiter being right there for a retest here idea. It may get a little shaky over here, but I'm going in. I can control my risk. And then validation of this idea. If what I expect doesn't happen here, then we're getting ready to do something bearish. And we'll get out of that anyway. Let's take a look at these stocks over here. Let's go to the daily chart. CMPS. I'm not getting anything on that. Did I write it down wrong? Let's try the next one. ATAI. I see that. ATAI Beckley, is that right? It's like it's in a nice juicy accumulation area, trying to come from our constriction zone and the rounded bottom to the expansion phase is what it looks like.
I know the chart said pump, but the chart lied. The chart lied. Oh, how you lied. Chasing your green, chasing your red. You made
So anywhere under $6.26 is still a good area to consider. Hey man, I got in at a good price. Doesn't make me feel like such a fool for jumping in Monday morning when I'm going to do on this one. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Don't have enough information to get us the lower high just yet, or the higher high. We'll know that when we start getting into these areas. Or a better chance of that, but first we got to get up there, right? 943, and mostly we want to look at 1456 as being totally legit targets to shoot for. It has such a fall through here that it might have a big speed up to get over here, so I wouldn't discount these zones right here at all. In my personal opinion, I think this is the sweet spot to be looking for this little guy to take a good, nice big line share of the profits. And that's on the 2 week. Oh my God, we're on the 2 week. This is what it looks like on the weekly. Bullish cross of the 100 or 200 moving average. That's pretty impressive right there. All right. Who mentioned? Was it Ave? Were you the one mentioning that? This is I like what you're looking at here. I'm being very kind of tempted on this one. I didn't know anything about this. I'll do some research on them a little bit. I say that anyway on the weekend. So we could be looking at an AB equals CD pattern coming right now from being on this bottom. So you got the nice rounded shape that we can. I can make that look whatever rounded out shape I want it there, right? All right. So we're coming off this bottom accumulation area, man. pull our fibs out. Play with them just a moment. We got a nice one, little 6 on it. That's what we're looking for. A big equals CD coming right over here to these areas that we had marked. So we got a couple of local targets right here that we can add in. This guy and this guy. So for locally, like over the reasonable over the next month or so or whatever, or a couple of months, kind of looking more to these guys around $8. This is kind of out there, but once we get over to this area, man, it may just take it just a few weeks. It only took it how many weeks to drop down from to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it took it about 2 months to do all this falling. You might have 2 months of freaking. We've just made a discovery with the Amanita muscaria mushroom. We found a portal to another universe to talk to elves who gives us more AI technology. I don't know, but because I'm just tripping my balls off right there, but sounds cool. Oh, nice 1-to-1 move. It's the most probable here, and here's the cool thing. Here's a bullish scenario. Now it takes us right here to that one we marked. That was the main target. Right underneath our bigger 382. So 889 looks good. But here's the thing. You got a higher chance. This is where we're starting to look for something called a 3 drives pattern, which is a series of 3 harmonic AB equals CDs, where we get a series of 3 nice, often equidistant lines or measures. Not perfectly equidistant, but you get 3 drives to the upside that takes us up. A nice strong move in this expansion phase. That's kind of what it could be happening, and what I keep looking at with the nice rounded bottom. So if they're going to happen, they can happen over here, and they can be fun to play. So you're in there. I think you're in at a good time, and I will be too, as long as I can. What, ATAI? I'm going to write this down, and I'm not going to remember it. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going on my E-Trade account right now, putting it on my watch list. Pardon me a moment, folks. Turkey's got to do what a turkey's got to do. Let me in. Alright, well, maybe I'm not. No, forget about it. That sucks. Are you going to let me in? It's not letting me in for some. Oh, I'm in. Good, good, good. This is ATAI. ATAI Beckley. And putting that on my watch list right there. All right. So, hopefully we got the right ones, card. Let me come back over to the chat and see if we got any discerning ideas. Well, I see Bitcoin hit its low. Next off, do the upside, hopefully. I'm still looking for that major 382 that we were talking about last few nights, right? We held the local one, but then we just lost it, right? It looked like it's trying to hold double bottom, but then it fell down. So that major 382, or local 0.5 is where I think that we'll catch. That's right around 74,000. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Did anyone hear the bog story of Vegas? Out of Vegas, someone with a ton of money just bought half of the LV strip. I haven't heard the amount, but it was no. I don't know anything about that. That sounds massive, though. All right. CMPS. I still get nothing over here. Did I miss up? Is it not PMS, premenstrual syndrome? How about MPS? Is it Compass Pathways? Was I being dyslexic? I want to take a look at this. American Depository Shares. I don't know if this is it or not, but it looks interesting and juicy here on the weekly. Whatever this is, I'm liking it.
Let the blocks mine down upon my screen, and the cycles turn as they have always been. I have walked the halving road before. 4 year seasons, blood upon the floor. All I see is what the oracle sings. Patience holds the quiet king. Oh, to the moon. Oh, to the moon. Rising through the endless night. Oh, to the moon. I am a traveler of both price and time. 7 winters hardened on the line. Some have come and some have gone away. Bitcoin rising with the break of day. All I see is what the oracle sings. Patience holds the quiet king. Whoa, to the moon. Whoa, to the moon. Rising through the endless night. Oh, to the moon.
It's probably going to pull back this week, though. I'm just kind of guessing if I'm on the right one. It's trying to break out. I like what I'm seeing over here. All right, Compass, I kind of like this one. Keep my eye on this one. I want to add this one to our watch list over here. What was the last one? ATAI. By Becklin, want to add that to our watch list over here. 2. Take a look at DFTX, if I've got that written down right. DFTX.
Let the moon pull tides
Definium
across the
Therapies.
chart. Ancient rhythms carved with
$22. Look at you go. Where'd all my stuff go?
the gains I've known.
What happened over here?
Road dog walks the cycle.
Something changed.
All I see is what the oracle
Something changed on my screen. What happened?
Patience holds the quiet keys.
All right. Everything's back to normal, right? Let's try it again. DFTX. There we go. I didn't see all my stuff up here. You guys can see it. This is on the daily. Nice. Big double bottom. And now we're in the expansion phase. This is the fun. This is the markup part. Ooh. Still in the sweet pie zone right here.
Walks the cycle.
So she might be getting a pullback. It would be kind of cool if she did get rejected over here. Start taking up these highs. Give us a chance to get in somewhere around $13. That'll be wishful thinking. That's a nice parabolic move. DCAing into this one might be, looks like this is what it's telling us in this area. DCAing into it so we can sell it around 40 at 35, 45, and $55 areas there. So anywhere under 22 is pretty good. This is a weekly chart over here. Let's see if we can get a reasonable 382 that it can come back to. Kind of a target to shoot for. This is zone right through here. 17, maybe 14, but that might be asking a lot for right now.
What does a wanderer learn? Watching every candle rise and watching every candle burn. And the chart goes on and the chart goes on and the chart goes on, my friend. Oh, the chart goes on, oh, the chart goes on until the very end. Over the candles and far away.
Maybe we can see 17. That would be a cool entry, a cool nibble area. 17, maybe if we see 14. I've got a chance to get rejected here for a little bit, maybe. A 1, 2, 3, come back for a 4, somewhere above here. So maybe this would be great. We had that opportunity, but first we got to get that opportunity because we got a lot of trend lines that could be holding, right? All right, so this one is on our list over here too, right? Cool. All right, let me come back to the chat, make sure we got them all. I think we got the right ones. Dodgers lost. Oh, the Casimir kind of version. I need it, please. Oh, I tried to release that one over on DefCoin. Finally got everybody to bed and hanging. Let's go. Well, LFG, we can break out the strippers now, right? Break out the strippers now, right?
The morning's gray, the clocks are full, the world outside moves slow, so slow. But there's a spark, a golden glow.
Good ass coffee.
Coffee's here, you know. Oh, the best part of waking up.
Good ass
Coffee in your cup. Sip it smooth, feel the rush. Oh, darling, nothing else can hush the blues that brew till the sun pops up.
Good ass coffee. It's the boldest, best coffee you'll ever have. Get your good ass coffee today.
All right. All right, I think we got him. I think we got. I like that. So a double bottom situation and touching the neckline, or a double BB situation bottom, a double BB pattern. That is also in the works too. So this one had a nice run over the past several weeks, man. I mean, we don't know if we're going to get here. It seems improbable with that such strong move yet until we find one day we are. So are you in these? Or are you just thinking about getting into them? Because now you got me wanting to investigate on them, because I'm liking what I'm seeing on these charts, man. The big butt crack harmonic. I mean, it might be, I don't know how long it'll take this to play out. Or, I mean, this is a great one to hold for maybe up to a year or lower. How long does it take it to go from here? September 20th. Oh my God, that's some COVID times. It didn't take but a couple of months for it to start, when it went on a tear, to get up there, right? We've already been through this story before, and then boom. We're getting closer to a boom phase again, right? Could be fun. Thank you for give you give you the old clap hands because that was a good chair. I like that. That's what's so cool about this show. We got 8 people hanging out. Don't have as many. We lost some a little while ago. I don't know why that happens. It's like everybody falls off. Then come back and leave again. We changed up the music a little bit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We got our 2 hours in for tonight's show. Come down on the smaller time frames, look at Bitcoin on our messy ass charts over here. See some bullish divergence trying to happen over here at this 272 area. We're likely to we could get a little mild bounce over here, meaning she might start looking better. But then our next resistant area is the place that we just lost, is not in line, about 76.1 if we start to do that. And there's an argument that we could be doing that, right? Based on this guy. Let me see. Let me code him so I don't get confused. So that's a local support area, and we may double test it, and we may get something from it. You may say, screw it, I'm just going to go ahead and dump. I would expect something a little up and a little down, but you know, last night I was expecting a little bit more up before we came down here. I mean, we didn't quite get it. We just kind of, no, I'm done. 78. No, I'm not. Screw 79. That's too much, Road Dog. Oh, screw you. I'm ready to go dump on you now. So, but last night about this time, I was thinking, well, it might be a little higher over there before we come down to these areas. So we may not get that. Or that. Or we might. I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller. I'm just an analyst. We're just analysts around here. We're not fortune tellers. There's a difference, you know. But it's not unreasonable to expect a retest over here. It could happen. It might not. I think it's got a chance. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for hanging out. We're going to the end screen where the rest of the cool music is, and catch up with the chat over there. Hang out for a few minutes, and then say goodnight, John Boy. If you guys didn't know, Jesus loves you. See you over at the end screen. Oh, we gotta change this.
Mommy, Daddy, look at me. I went online and I did some TA. All my mates say I got properly shagged. I went online and I got properly shagged.
What song is this?
Properly shagged.
Oh, to the moon.
I got properly shagged.
I'd pull it up.
I got properly shagged. I went online and I got properly shagged. Is your position liquidated? Would you like me to assign someone to liquidate you? Excuse me? What? Excuse me? What?
See if we can get some Zeppelin stuff out here.
Hey you, over there, staring at the charts in your vest. Why are you still fighting those red candles? You should come get properly shagged, love. Shagged, shagged, properly shagged all night long. Shagged, shagged, properly shagged all night long. Is your mother panicking? Would you like me to assign someone to ring your mother? Excuse me? What? Excuse me? What? Hey you in the front row, you coming round after the bloodbath? I've got warm lager and a group chat full of lads who all got properly shagged. Shagged, shagged, properly shagged. Oh.
Oh, thanks for presenting them, my man. That's interesting. Oh, and I never knew about them. They look good. Yes, do that. Love that stuff, Ave. Love that stuff. That gets into GAN territory.
Hangman, hangman, hold it a little while. I think I see my brother coming, riding man, hear my brother. Did you bring me some tokens to save my soul? A few fresh bags to spare me from the gallows pole.
This is kind of bullish to me so far. Maybe. Got a bearish cross, but maybe it'll hold. Well, 1 minute, what are you doing? Oh, crap.
Did you bring me some tokens about to pump?
You lost the 200. little slimmer. No, you lost that too. Never mind.
I've come to see you hanging from the gallows pole. Hangman, hangman, hold on a little while. I think I see my sister coming, riding many a mile. Sister, I implore you, take his bags to save my neck. Hangman, wait, I think she's coming with a coin to flex. Sister, dear sister, brought you a little coin to keep you from the slaughter of the gallows pole. Hangman, hangman, turn your head a while. Your crypto queen has come to save my soul. Hangman, hangman, hold on yet a while. I think I see my best friend riding many a mile. Friend, did you get something to pay the market maker? Or did you sell me out to get a price for you to take her? Ooh, hangman, hangman, turn your head a while. The tokens that I gathered
It's actually kind of a bear setup to bring us even lower.
Friend, you brought me some silver. You brought a little gold. You brought a little everything to keep me from the cold. Yes, I got your silver. Yes, I got your gold. Yes, I got your tokens for to keep you from the cold. But the hangman laughed and
not
watched
squaring
me
up, though.
dangling in the wind. My friend, he took the bags and took them all with him. Your brother brought me silver. Your sister warmed my soul. Your friend brought me altcoins from the land of never sold. Now laugh and laugh and laughter as I swing from the gallows pole. They got all of your bags and now they're gonna let you go. Swing low, swing low, swing, 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 swing. Seesaw Margeron, seesaw Margeron. Down, down, down. Your friend took all your bags and the hangman laughed and laughed. And I swing from the gallows pole. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ha, 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 ha.
Let me see if I can get the other song over here. When you look at this on the weekly, we're just retesting the 236 area. If we're trying to bounce back up to these 84 to 92, this is where we'd want to see it happen this week. If not, we could be working for a double bottom coming back down to, man, we could get a little push to the down. Crucial area to watch over the next few days over here. Interesting place. The daily.
Let the blocks mine down upon my screen, and the cycles turn as they have always been. holds the quiet king.
I don't know which one that was. I wasn't paying attention.
Holds the quiet king. Across the chart, ancient rhythms carved within my heart. All the blood I've bled, the gains I've known. Road dog walks the cycle home. All I see is what the oracle sees. Patience holds the quiet keys. Oh, to the moon. Oh, to the moon. Rising through the endless night. Oh, to the moon.
Shouldn't let it play with that. I wasn't thinking about it.
We come from the land takes its time until you're blind. Make their final dash. Hey, hey, what does a wanderer know? Standing at the chart line where the bull and bear winds blow. Many, many seasons I have walked the trading road. Many, many fortunes I have carried, I have sold. Hey, hey, what does a wanderer learn? Watching every candle rise and watching every candle burn. And the chart goes on and the chart goes on and the chart goes on, my friend. Oh, the chart goes on, oh, the chart goes on until the very end. Over the candles and far away. Far, far away. Over the candles and far away. Far, far away. A pilgrim with a chart and a hungry, hopeful heart. Over the candles and far away. Oh, yeah. Many, many lessons does the open chart provide. Many, many sunrises has the trading sky denied. Hey, hey, what does a wanderer keep? Just the wisdom and the humming of the candles in his sleep. 20 bags still waiting to be sold. Hey, hey, gonna walk this trader's lane until the final candle of my final trading day. Over the candles and far away, far, far away. Over the candles and far away. Oh yeah, far, far away. A pilgrim with a chart and a hungry, hopeful heart. Over the candles and far away. Oh, far, far, far away. Oh yeah. Over the candles. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Far away. Far away. Far away. Hey! Oh yeah! Woo! Hey! Wanna tell you about the corn I love. She's a honeypot contract straight from up above. She dumps a whole stack when I'm trying to sleep. Every other wallet getting what I can't keep. I said, hey, hey, what did I do? What did I do? Said, hey, hey, what did I do? What did I do? Hey, 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 what did I do? Bought a high and I watched it dump. Hey, hey, what could I do? Every candle turned into a slum. Hey, hey, what did I say? She took my stack and she walked away. Hey, hey, what can I do? Oh, baby, oh, yeah. Told myself I wouldn't ape in again. Loaded up my bag for the 100th amen. Now she's pumping pumps for some other whale. Every tag that I chase turns red and tail. With the moon back shaking, she left me flat. I couldn't hold a candle no matter where I sat. I said, hey, hey, what did I do? What did I do? Said, hey, hey, what did I do? What did I do? Hey, 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 what did I do? Bought a high and I watched it dump. Hey, hey, what could I do? Every candle turned into a slum. Hey, hey, what did I say? She took my stack and she walked away. Hey, hey, what can I do? Oh, baby, oh, yeah. Now I see her on the chart with another guy. Same sweet wick, same flash, same light. Yeah, she'll be back when the funding runs low. Knocking on my wallet with a hey, hey, hello. And like a fool, I reach for the leverage seat. 'Cause the shrug is how a trader knows defeat. I said, hey, hey, what did I do? What did I do? Said, hey, hey, what did I do? What did I do? my bags having fun in the sun. Oh, it's a bull run stomp. Yeah, it's a bull run stomp. Every chart is green and the bags are fat. Hop along, my coin just a hop along. Got my favorite coin, never gonna sell. Right into the moon, it's a heaven from hell. When the bears come apart and we run away, left to trade and note the day, come what may. Oh, it's a bull run stomp. Yeah, it's a bull run stomp. Every chart is green and the bags are fat. Hop along, my coin just a hop along. Yeah. When you're old and your stack is thin, ain't no essay that she gonna bail you in. So you got to ride the green while it lasts. Stack your sats and don't look to the past. Stop. Woo. Woo. Oh, it's a bull run stomp. Yeah, it's a bull run stomp. Every chart is green and the bags are fat. Hop along, my coin just a hop along. Oh, it's a bull run stomp. Yeah, yeah, it's a bull run stomp. Oh, green candles all the way to the sky. Hop along, my coin, hop along, hop along. Hop along, hop along, bull run stomp. Hop along, bull run stomp. Yeah, bull run stomp. like a heartbeat in the dark. I chase the ghost of a signal through the spark. I was bleeding to days without a sound, still waiting for the pattern to turn around. Every fake breakout cuts a little deeper, leaves me starving for the move I wanna see. I swear this time I walk away clean, but the static pulls me back into the scene. The signal awaits, it's always just ahead, calling through the silence in my head. The signal awaits, beautiful and cruel. I keep returning like a willing fool. Like a willing fool. My coffee's cold, my eyes are burning red. The chart becomes a lover in my bed. It whispers promises it never keeps. Still I'm here begging on my knees. The signal awaits, it's always just ahead, calling through the silence in my head. The signal awaits, beautiful and cruel. I keep returning like a willing fool. I know it's only lines, only numbers on a screen, but they speak louder than anything I've ever seen. The signal awaits, it's always just ahead, pulling me under till I'm already dead. The signal awaits, beautiful and cruel. I'll keep returning like a willing fool. The signal awaits. The signal awaits. Can't trust the dew when the moon is far. Won't sleep at night 'cause I hear a car. The wheels are moving and the wicks are long.